We're going to go ahead and talk a little bit deeper about the Math Fact flashcards and how we look at student fluency. Please remember that if your district philosophy or pedagogy does not include using timed tests, then you want to skip this activity. There is good research and there is the recommendation by the What Works Clearinghouse about timed activities being a strong evidence-based method of working on students with intervention in mathematics for K-5. The activities really do focus on personal best. You're going to do 2 one-minute trials and then track that student's personal best score. And we're hoping to build confidence by having multiple sets of flashcards that are really scaffolded so students will feel successful and begin to feel confident in their number sense skills so that the timing is less of an anxiety-provoking moment. What we're hoping is that by creating this confidence over time, that in the classroom, just knowing their math facts will make them more willing to take a chance in those deeper problems and those rich math tasks. We also linked in the video from the Pirate Math Equation Quest website, so you can see how the researchers recommended implementing these activities using pencil and paper flashcards. You can always get more details from their website, and we're going to go ahead and show you the digital version now. So each one of these links takes you to a StudyStack flashcard website. And that will give you, in this case, 33 different cards. The timing shows up right in the corner here. So you're going to want to hit restart to start that timer and then hit shuffle. As the students go through, they can self-monitor or self-check by clicking here to flip to see if they got the answer correct. If they did get the answer correct, they want to click no. Yes, we got that right. And if they get the answer wrong, you want to click didn't know. And that would give you that personal best total. It doesn't stop after a minute, but you are able to track it pretty easily on the website. The other nice thing about StudyStack is because all of these flashcard sets have been created, they also have multiple activities if you wanted to give students additional ways to practice. Looking back at our slide, we not only see that we have the sets of flashcards, but we also gave you a sample to help the students self-monitor their progress, which is really important, having them take ownership over how they're progressing as a mathematician. So when you click on that link, you're going to be prompted to make a copy of a Google form with just one question. And what you'd want to do is make a Google form for each one of your students. And so you can change this top thing title to say Shauna's results or Shauna's personal best. And then what that will do as a teacher is each day or each session, the student will enter their number and they will be able to answer and say how many that they got right. And so we'll go ahead and show you an example. Let's say today I got 24 problems correct. I'm going to go ahead and submit. And that's the only thing the student would need to be able to do. As the teacher, because you're owning that form, you will be able to see the results. So if we go to that form again, I'm able to see that, oh, my student has logged 10 of their personal bests. But this really doesn't provide us much information with the way it's currently graphed. So you want to go to the spreadsheet option. Once the spreadsheet option opens up, and I've already done this here, you can see that I have a graph that updated our very recent score of 24, and I can see that my student is trending up over time, which is kind of exciting. If you are not comfortable with Excel, let me give you a real quick idea of how to create that graph. You click and drag through the items that you want to be on the graph. So I want student's personal best along with all of those scores. Once I have the information highlighted, I click on Insert, Chart, and then it will create the different types of charts that are available. You can easily then resize your chart by clicking and dragging the corner. And I can even type up here and change the title so that each student can have their name on their chart instead of it just saying student. And now each time the student updates their form, it will automatically update the graph and you don't have to do that part again. So again, we're hoping to build student confidence through math fluency. And we want to make sure that as they know and learn their facts, they're feeling more confident and that we're not creating anxiety with the timing, but we're showing them the power of practice and belief that they can affect their mathematical future. So thanks for considering.